My name is George Polimeru, and I'm working as a psychologist in the camp for minors seeking for asylum in the organization of Arsis in Oreokastro in Thessaloniki. During this period of time, in our camp there are boys from Afghanistan, Pakistan, Africa, from Mali, from Syria, and some boys from countries like Morocco or from Algeria or countries like Albania, but this is not a usual case. The way that the boys arrive here, they start their adventure, so they cross maybe Afghanistan, after Iran, after Turkey, and then they enter Greece. They will always find a way to come here, because if their life is in danger because of the war, they will not be prevented. They will find a way that maybe it's dangerous, like taking a small boat and entering the Aegean Sea, but maybe it's safer than staying in their country. So what's happening afterwards is that most of the time the police is catching the boys. They stay in a prison that is called a detention center by the Greek government. In some of those detention centers or prisons, the situation is really bad, and the bad thing is that there are boys who are non-adults and they may stay for a period from 1 month until 12 months. Afterwards, what's happening is that the judge has to send an official paper that says that those boys have to move in a camp like ours. So what we do in the camp is we provide a place for them to stay. We provide to them psychosocial support through individual sessions or through group sessions. We try to engage them to participate in activities that we organize here, and we are trying also to push them to go in the city center, because our main goal is not to let them stay here, is to try to help them to be adjusted in the local community of Thessaloniki. We also provide them legal support through the lawyer who is working here and who is helping them to proceed their asylum requests in case that they want to ask for asylum. Now the thing is that most of the boys, they don't want to stay in the camp because they don't want to stay in the Greece. So they are trying to find a way to go in another country where they will find a better situation for them and to have a better future for their lives. It's worth mentioning that even that there are boys who say that I have a brother, for instance, in Germany, and we explain them that he can go in a legal way there. He's refusing that, and the reason is that maybe the period of time is big for them, like waiting 9 months. And another reason is maybe in the first few days they don't trust us, because, as I said, what they know from Greece is the prisons that they stayed, so I don't even find any reason that they will trust us. No matter that what we are trying to do is we are trying to engage other boys who stay here and who are from the same country and with whom it will be easier for them to trust them, to explain to them that there is this process and that we are people who are working them, who are working here, and our work is to find a way to support them. This time, maybe this can work in some cases, but in most of the cases, they prefer the easy way for them to go illegal in another country. I think my goal is to explain him the dangers of these decisions and the advantages and disadvantages if he stays in Greece, and the advantages and disadvantages and dangers if he decides to go in a legal way. And finally I say that you take the decision, but my job is to let you know what will help in any cases.
Thank you.